figure out what day of the week it is. Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Let me hear ya. Your turn. Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Friday, March 5th, 2021. Tomorrow is Saturday, the 6th. Sunday is the 7th, and we'll be back here on Monday. Let's figure out our pattern. We have a clover, and then a Dr. Seuss hat. A clover, a Dr. Seuss hat. What's going to come next? Clover hat. Clover hat. Clover. All right, what's going to come here on Saturday? Let's try it again. Clover hat. Clover hat. Clover hat. Let's try one more. Here we go. Say it again. Clover hat. Clover hat. Clover hat. Clover. All right. Let's see. We said it was going to be rainy today. Phew! Bless you. Thank goodness it is not rainy. What kind of weather do we have outside today? It is what? Hands in our lap, please. It is sunny. And what? Windy. It is windy and chilly out there. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow for our Saturday? Rainy. Oh. Well, I guess I'm not doing anything this weekend. Let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready to sing? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, we're counting to 15. Touch your knees. Touch your ears. Touch your mouth. Touch your head. Hands in your lap. Let's count 15. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't hear you. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, let's count backwards from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pasta! All right, let's take a look at some colors. What color is my fish? What color is that? Orange. What color is the chocolate?
What color is chocolate?
Brown. All right, let's take a look at some shapes. What shape is brown? What shape is this? What is it? Diamond. What shape is green? Oval. What shape is yellow?
What shape is yellow? Eyes on board.
All right, our nursery rhyme this week is Mary, Mary. Mary, Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. All right, what letter are we working on this week? H. H. What does H say? What does H say? Excellent. All right, let's stand up and think about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you got it better. Remember to start it at the top. Here we go.
Listening.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Here we go. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
Shake it.
What's the middle? Is this the top?
It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Oz. Are you singing? Reach up.
Can't hear you.
Way up. It's at the top.
Yes, it's the top.
Reach out and touch the top. Go down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Going down.
Is this the top?
No, it's the bottom.
Is this the top?
No, it's the middle.
Is this the top?
It's the top.
Where do you start your letters at the
Top. All right. Have a seat. We're making the letter H. And H says, we're going to grab our big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. Grab our other big line and put it on the other side of our mat. Grab our little line and put it in the middle. What letter did we make? What letter? H. Let's make it together. Fingers up. You say.
Big line down.
Frog.
Jump over. Big line down. Little line across the
Middle. All right. That's the end of H. We're going to start a new letter next week. All right. Thanks for joining us for Circle Time.